Very good morning. My name is Liu Chengyu, and a student for UTHM and in industrial chemistry course. So today I will present about my poster. These posters are consist two chemical that I choose, which is the amine and the para-nitroanilide. So first is the amine, also called the dodecanamine. For the chemical formula is C12, H27, and N. So amine is a white waxy solid soluble in ethanol, ether, benzene, chloroform, and carbon tetrachloride. It's also difficult to dissolve in water. The relative density was 0.8015, and the melting point is 28 degrees Celsius. Boiling point is 259 degrees Celsius, and the solubility is 78 mg per liter. So for the lauric amine, the preparation is using the lauric acid as a raw material. Ammonia gas was introduced in a presence of the silica gene catalyzed for the ammonionation, and the reaction product was washed with water, dry, and distilled under reduced pressure to obtain the refined lauric nitrate. The lauric nitrate was transferred into the autoclave, heat to 80 degrees Celsius, and by stirring in presence of an active nickel catalyst, rapidly hydrogenated and reduced to obtain the crude lauric amide. So which has a cool and subjected to distillation under reduced pressure to obtain the finishing product after drying. So gaudiamine is an intermediate for the organic synthesis and used in the textile and rubber and the other auxiliary production. It also can be used to prepare oral flotation agent, lubricant quaternary ammonium salt, bactericide, insecticide, emulsifier, detergent, and disinfection special effect agent for prevention, and also the treatment of the skin burn and curing. So the amine is a corrosion chemical and easy to burn. So during the operation, should wet the protective equipment. This equipment also should be stored in the cool and ventilated space away from the fire source and the heat source. So for the second chemical compound is the para-nitroanilide and also called 4-nitroanilide. The chemical formula is C6H6 and 2O2. Para-nitroanilide is a yellow needle-like crystal, and remember the reactive density was 1.424, and the boiling point is 332 degrees Celsius, and the melting point was 148 until 149 degrees Celsius, and the flash point is 199 degrees Celsius. Para-nitroanilide is slightly soluble in the cool water, soluble in boiling water, ethanol, ether, benzene, and acid solution. So for the preparation method, has two methods, which is aminolysis and nitration hydrolysis. So for the first aminolysis method, para-nitrochlorobenzene and ammonia water will press in the autoclave at 180 to 190 degrees Celsius under the condition of 5 MPa, and the para-nitrate is generated, and the product is obtained by crystallization separation in the separation kitchen and the centrifugal spin drying. So for the second method, nitration hydrolysis, The N-acetylene was nitrated by the mixture acid to get the para-nitroacetylene, and then will hydrolysis by hot water to get the finishing product. So para-nitroacetylene is a organic chemical compound. It's commonly used as an intermediate in the synthesis of dyes and antioxidant, uh, parasitatic and gasoline, and also in the gum inhibitor, medicine, and as a corrosion inhibitor. So para nitroanilin is a compound is a toxic compound by way in in the inhalation, ingestion, and absorption. It should be handled with care. Para-aniline is particularly harmful to all aquatic organisms and also cause long-term damage to the environment if released as a pollutant. This compound must store in dry, ventilated space.